A typical Melbourne day brought the news we were all expecting.
Too many unanswered questions, too many mysteries for us to safely come out of lockdown now.
While another week is unpopular, some took it harder than others.
We've been made a priority.
A heckler at today's press conference was tackled by police, while the Premier maintained that it's the only option.
If we were to open, then we would see cases akin to what's happening tragically in Sydney right now.
The border with New South Wales will again be strengthened. All bubble residents will need a permit to enter Victoria from Friday.
If this virus can get from Sydney to Byron Bay, to Dubbo, to Armidale, to Tamworth, then only a fool would think that it couldn't get to Albury.
So the government really needs to rethink this because this is not fair for those border communities.
Victoria recorded 20 new cases today. 14 were in isolation while infectious and 5 are under investigation.
It's likely if they haven't been able to find the source of the mystery cases, they may need to extend that a little longer.
2 of today's mystery cases are from the city of Melbourne. A grade 1 St Michael's primary school student and his father, who worked at a Royal Children's Hospital eye clinic on Monday.
We've got cases that are not just confined to a couple of suburbs in the north and west. They really are quite extensively spread.
Melton has emerged as a new area of concern. The other mystery cases include a family of 3 there. There are more than a dozen exposure sites along the retail area of High Street, with more expected.
We now have 13 active cases in the City of Melbourne area. 6 of those are new cases today.
Most people in Melbourne have been respectful of what's to be done. When to be tested, they're going to get tested.
Residents in Caroline Springs have heeded calls to get tested. 1,200 people got swabbed there yesterday, with 4 more cases linked to the CS Square shopping centre. The list of exposure sites is growing. There are now more than 300 locations, including this apartment complex on Elizabeth Street in the CBD. While it's the 2 mystery clusters that have authorities most concerned right now, they are confident they'll be linked in the coming days. The Premier says it is possible we'll see 100% of new cases in isolation while infectious before next Thursday, the magic number needed for the lockdown to lift. Bridget Rollison, ABC News, Melbourne.